Hi everyone, welcome to GFXGARAGE, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the spot healing brush tool. So in the spot healing brush tool you have many of the tools nested together, and spot healing brush tool is to just remove all the blemishes or all the area that you do not want in your image. So let's go ahead and jump into Photoshop. So in the Photoshop I've just selected this image, and I just have this image actually where the train is very old and you can see all the blemishes right here. So in I'm gonna select this spot healing brush by hitting G on my keyboard, or you could just click right here. In the spot healing brush tool, it just removes the marks and the blemishes. Okay, in the spot healing brush you have the healing brush, patch tool, content aware, red eye. All of these five tools are nested together. So I'm just gonna select this spot healing brush tool firstly, and I'm gonna make another copy of this background layer. So I'm just gonna drag this background and have a new copy there. You just can do Control J. So I just want to first remove all of this. What I would do is I would do Control plus plus plus, have my hand tool, and I'm just gonna drag this area. I just want to remove all the marks from here. What I would actually do is firstly I'm gonna show you how you can use the spot healing brush tool. Actually, the spot healing brush tool is very easy. You just have to click and then drag to remove, like what I have done. Click and then drag, click, drag, click, drag, click, drag. So this is how you can use the spot healing brush tool. As I'm gonna click this area, but now you can see it's a little roughy. The area is very rough. So for that, I'm gonna use my healing brush tool. Healing brush tool is a little similar, but it's a little different from the spot healing brush tool. You just have to click Alt. It just works like a stamp tool. So I'm just gonna have it an Alt and then click and then paint this area. OMG, let's do Control Z. Okay, then Alt, click, and then have this, this, Alt, and now you can see that all the marks has been removed and it's look a little better than now. Now I want to remove this area. I'm gonna use my patch tool for that, and I'm gonna select this area that I want to remove. Okay, now I've just selected this area. What I have to do is I just want this color to be here. I'll just click and drag to have this area, and then do enter and then do Control C. So now you can see it looks a little better. So let's quickly do this thing, and let's do Control D to deselect it. Now you can see we have all of the things done. Now let's do right here. I'm gonna have my spot healing brush tool, and I'm gonna have it like, oh, it's a little messy. So what I would do is I would just have my patch tool for this, and I'm gonna select this area only that I have to remove. Okay, I'm gonna use this thing and I'm gonna do Control D. Now it looks a little better. I'm gonna use my spot healing brush tool again to remove all of the blemishes. So you can see the area we just have selected has removed all of the blemishes right above here. So it removes all of the marks, all of the blemishes. So this spot healing brush tool is very helpful, guys, and it helps a little more. So in this video we just learned that how you can use the spot healing brush tool. And let's take an example. I'm gonna just zoom in and I'm gonna use my healing brush tool. Click Alt and then click, and then you can have a little drag, but it didn't work properly. I'm gonna use my spot healing brush tool and just do this. So this really helps you for just removing the blemishes. So guys, this video was about then how you can remove your marks and blemishes. So guys, if you really like my video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I hope that you really liked it. And guys, thanks for watching. Bye. See ya.